Industrial ceiling fans move large amounts of air in warehouses, barns, and gyms. 6 sculpted aluminum blades keep big open spaces cool and comfortable. Industrial ceiling fans are available up to a 120-inch diameter and have a 12-inch downrod. Optional longer downrod lengths are available for applications where clearance is needed. The industrial-grade motor delivers powerful airflow with minimal noise. The totally enclosed motor is built to last and requires minimal maintenance. Industrial ceiling fans feature 5 fan speeds that are adjustable with the included remote control. To keep the remote control close at hand, wall brackets are included. The reversible airflow lets you circulate warm air in the winter, maximizing year-round comfort. Note, hardwiring is required for fan operation. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.